Hello everyone, so in this quick video I'm gonna talk about how you can spawn your blueprints in the level when you play the game. You normally drag the blueprint into the level like this, and then when you play the game it will be spawned at every frame of the game automatically. Sometimes we need to spawn our actors after the game is being played and we wanna spawn them in specific moments of the game, so let's see how we can do that using some code. Let's open up the level blueprint, and this is where we can control how we want to spawn our other blueprints in the game. Let's add an event begin play and then add a spawn actor from class function. Now here you can select the blueprint you want to spawn. If your blueprint has some variables inside it and you want to control them from here, you can just go to the blueprint, select the variable, and here check instance editable and also expose on spawn. Now we have the variables in the function and we are able to change their values here. The next thing we need is a transform variable to define the location, rotation, and the scale of the actor when it's spawned. So let's make a transform variable and then connect it to the spawn transform input. I want to spawn it at the middle of my arena, so let's select the cylinder here and copy its location and then paste it in the variable. Also, let's add a delay for 2 seconds after the event so we can see it appear a little after we play the game. Let's compile and play, and now you can see that our actor is spawned here as we wanted. Alright, now let's make something cool with the function we discussed. I want to have 10 cubes spawned in the level and I want them to go upward on top of each other with a rotation each time they are spawned. First I need an event tick so they are spawned on every frame, and then I need a delay to decrease the speed a little. Let's go with 0.4 and then connect it to the function. This time I am going to make a vector for the location and a rotator variable for the rotation of the blueprint. The values for the vector variable, which is the location we want the blueprint to be spawned at, is the location of the cylinder here, so let's copy the values in the variable. Now I need a make transform to be able to connect the variables to the transform input. As you can see, it combines the location, rotation, and scale values and gives it to the transform input. For the location and the rotation, we want to use the variables we made, and for the scale, we can just set the numbers on 4, so it's 4 times bigger than its default size. Next, we want to set the vector variable. Let's get the vector and add 250 units to the Z value. We also want to do the same thing with the rotation, so get the variable, combine rotators, and add 10 degrees to the Z axis and then set it again. What this means is that it will spawn the blueprint at this location and without any rotation. Next it will get the location, add 250 units to it, and then spawn it at the new location with a 10-degree rotation. Let's compile and play, and now you can see that it's doing the job, but there is no limitation for the number of the cubes and it's doing it endlessly. If you want to set a limitation, all you need to do is adding a do n after the delay. Here you can set a number, and this way you can define how many times the blueprint should be spawned. Let's go with 10, and now you can see that it will do the process 10 times and then it will stop. Yeah, that concludes this video, and I hope you learned something new from the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.